Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making a quick potato salad. And here I have four medium-sized potatoes that I peeled and just cut up in chunks. I also have my 2 eggs cooking along with the potatoes, but I have my timer set for my eggs for 8 minutes. These eggs should be ready. I'm going to remove them and run them under cold water, and then I'm going to peel them. These potatoes are ready. They're what you call tender. I'm using a knife. They say fork tender, but if they slide, the knife slides through, then they're ready. We're going to drain those. Okay, so I put my potatoes in a bowl, and I peeled my eggs. I have some red and green bell peppers. I have some celery, and I have some onions, which I've chopped really small because, I do not like chunks of vegetables in my potato salad, even though it's salad. That's optional. Do it the way you want to do it. But like I said, I don't like it. I like them really small. So, I'm going to take these bell peppers, get some in here, some of these onions in here, celery, and like I always say, you add to taste, and that just means add as much or as little as you like. That's all. I think that's plenty. That's plenty. I'll set these aside. I have my eggs. I'm just going to see, and if you don't cook them too long, you have the perfect egg. If you have green around your yellow yolk, that means you cooked them too long. Yep, you cooked them too long. Still edible though. Quite edible. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. Okay. I'm going to add some salt. And I like pepper, but that's optional. And I like this Duke's. It really tastes good. Not even close to any other that you may have tasted. It's delicious for me. Let's get some in there. And add some at a time. Because you don't want to put too much. I'll just use this spoon here. I'm just breaking my potatoes up a little more because I don't like my potato salad too chunky either. That about does that. That's almost perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and that's plenty. That is plenty. I think we have that mixed pretty well. You can see it. And remember to taste. This tastes perfect. Enough salt and everything else. I like my potato salad warm. But if you let it sit, you know, the flavors of the eggs and bell peppers and whatnot. But even after it's sat in the refrigerator, I will take it and put it in a mic and let it cook. I just like it warm. I don't know. But so we're going to transfer this into here. So it'll be ready to put in the fridge after we have eaten. I like to, when I cook immediately after my food is done, I put it into containers and wash my dishes so that everything will be done. You want to eat and sit down too. You don't want to have to eat and wash tons of dishes. No, that's not fair. So you go ahead and do it right after it's done. Put it in your containers. Get it out of the way. That's just a suggestion. That's all. Works for me. It might work for you too. It just might work for you too. So, gonna save the spoon. Okay. And I'm almost out of paprika. Hopefully we have enough to finish this up. Yeah, just a bit. Not much. And if you like, you can boil you an extra egg and slice it up and put it on the top just to make it pretty. But that's it for me. It's delicious and it's super easy. You should give it a try. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a good time. I hope you did too. And remember to pray, and then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Tap that bell. And subscribe if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And let's taste this before I go. A nice taste. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to take a big bite of this. So good. Look. It really is delicious. Hey, I love you. Yes, you. Stay safe and stay blessed. Until next time. Later. Later. Finish eating my little bite here. Super easy.